Hi friend, I'm here Nasser. I came here with another interesting video here in Media Creation Club. Today I will tell you something very precise, the importance of thumbnail. If you are a YouTuber, if you want to start a YouTube channel, keep in mind these words and keep value these words that how much important the thumbnail is for the particular video for your channel as well. I have we 2-3 guys like I'm friend of the owner of this channel, Mr. Kashif. Actually, sometime I came here as well. I have my own channel as well. So I will tell you something precise that we run maybe more than 10-12 channel on different topics, and the particular video get million view or at least 200,000-300,000 view per 24 hour when for accidentally or intentionally or for the experiment purpose we remove the thumbnail. Then on next day of 24 hour we got 2,000 views on the particular video that was getting 200 to 300,000 view on every 24 hour. Then same video now, for example, on that time that we have experienced, that video getting 2 to 3,000 only view on every 24 hour. You have to guess it from this point, or you have to just be amazed from this fact that how much importance and the value of the thumbnail for the particular video or for your channel is. So always you have to do hard work. As much as you are working on the video, same you have to work on the attractiveness and the effectiveness of the thumbnail. That's my message for you in a very precise and clear way. Have a great time. Thank you so much.